this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be doing something cute, very simple, and I will show you guys how I get from this to this. And yeah, but before we get into it, the thing we will be doing is just medium-sized braids, something quick and easy. So I'm not gonna be looking like a rug rat. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Now the first thing we gotta do is actually get our hair. So I have hair already. I don't want to make the braids too small, too big, so I'm gonna do like medium size. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and section out my hair. Just speed this part up, me sectioning it off and putting the rubber bands on it, because yeah, once I get towards the end of sectioning it, I'm gonna show you in the front me sectioning off a piece of it, so you guys know how to actually, you know exactly what you want to do when you section off your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up with me sectioning off my hair. So stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're gonna get right into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I part. I actually went straight back, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do triangle parts. I can barely see, so I try to do it like it's not big triangle ones, but just medium size. Take that one, and then I just wrap it in a rubber band. It's gel already on there, and then I just continue doing that all over the head. If it's like less when I part it, I'll just make it one whole one, and then that's what I'm doing. But right now I'm gonna just go ahead and start braiding, and then come back and do this section. So what I'm gonna do is actually just show you guys how to braid in the front, and then I'm gonna speed it up doing this section. And then once I get to this section, I'm gonna show you guys one more time how to part and actually braid the hair, and then I'm gonna end out the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and that's just on period. So first you're gonna go ahead and take your hair, make sure you got a decent amount to actually cover up your hair. So I'm really okay. I popped the rubber band, but it's tangled in there. Look at the rubber band just stuck in there. So what I'm doing is I'm not doing big ones, but I'm not doing small ones either. So I'm just do like a decent amount like this, and then that's the size of the braid we're gonna go with. So what you do is take two sections, separate that in two sections, make sure everything is even, come across like this, put it inside like a loop, and it should be looped up like this. So the one that got the most hair on the side, that will be separated, and that will make like this. And then the one that got the less amount, you want that to be coming together so it can be like an even amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys doing one of these braids in the front. Well, I'm gonna do two of them in the front so you guys can know what's going on. So after you got that, make sure everything is even. And then what you want to do is actually take three sections of your regular hair. So make sure you got like a good grip on the hair. You got your three sections in the hair. Once you got your good grip, make sure you got your three sections. And you just braid the hair into it. So once you braiding it in, make sure you got a good grip, because if you don't, it's gonna be real loose. If it get tangled, just keep braiding. Once you get to the end, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. So this is the first braid. A trick for the tangling. If it's real detangled, you can just take your scissors, go open it up, and just go down like this. Don't make it like this, just go down and comb it out with the scissors, and it should come loose. So this is the first braid. It's actually nice. This is not my freaking hair color. It's like I think a number 2. I don't know, but I like the color, so we're getting somewhere. Well, these not even like middle size braids. You can say this is medium size. It's medium. Comment down below if you guys think this is medium, small, or medium or big size. You know, comment down below, because I think it's like a medium size. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time. You take your hair, a decent amount. Make sure you got your section. And once you got your section, you can go ahead and make this, separate it into 2, loop it up, make sure it's even, and once it's even, the one that got the most, you separate that and make that 2 sections, and then the one that got the least, you make that 1, bring it all together, and then you get 3 sections of your regular hair, and then you braid the weave in. Make sure you got a good grip, because if you don't, it will slip. And you should have something like this. My edges make it look like it's not even getting done, but I'm gonna do my edges at the end. That is basically what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up, do the rest of these, come back, show you guys how to part and braid again in this section. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And go ahead and comment down below what size do you think this is, and are you learning something? Because if you is, just go ahead and comment down below and let people know, and that's just on that. So we're gonna go ahead and speed this up and come back. Okay, you guys, so what I'm actually doing is just sectioning this off like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just start parting everything. And once I get my part, I'm gonna actually start braiding the hair on. So once again, I'm gonna show you guys, I sectioned some hair off. I separated with 2 into 2, and then you loop it. And once you loop it, you make sure the one that got the most hair, you separate that into 2, and it should be like 3 sections. When you pick the section that don't have a lot of hair, and then you just braid it on. You take 3 sections of your regular hair and just braid the weave on. And once you do that, you should have a braid, and you just braid it all the way down. So I just wanted to show you guys that and let you guys know how to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my whole head, come back and actually do my ends, and then yeah, you're just gonna see the final look. Just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're just gonna get right into it, period. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna start braiding them down all the way to the end, and then I'm gonna come back and go ahead and show you guys the finishing product. But for right now, this is what we got. It's a lot of hair, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding them in. I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding the ends, and then come back and show you guys the finishing product. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're just gonna get right into it, period. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done doing my braids, I'm gonna actually do my edges and dip the ends, as you can see. So after I do that, I'm gonna come back and do an outro. So just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're gonna get right into it. Peace. Okay, you guys, so now that I did my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and dip the ends and then come back and show you guys the ending product. As you can see, the ends are not dipped and it's looking all ratchet. So we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and dip it and come back. I hope you guys like the edges. As you can see, giving very much, I did that vibes, period. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it and come back and show you guys the finishing product. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're gonna get into it. Okay, you guys, now that I'm done, I'm gonna just go ahead and dry this off. But this is the finishing look. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. But this is the finishing product, and I'm gonna include videos and pictures at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, go ahead and comment down below and tell me what it was. And yeah, just leave a like, period. I'm giving, what type of vibes y'all getting from this? Because yeah, period. Peace.